पुलिस आयुक्त डॉक्टर शरणप्पा एसटी की प्रेस वार्ता कर जानकारी दी कि 2 अलग अलग मामलों में 4 आरोपी गिरफ्तार कर लिए गए हैं। आरोपी ने मोबाइल फोन और गांजा को गेंद के रूप में फेंक दिया था। थाना फराताबाद अंतर्गत दिनांक 25/8/2022 को केंद्र जेल की मुख्य भीतरी दीवार बैरक के बाहर है। भाग केंद्रीय कारागार की मुख्य परिसर की दीवार से प्लास्टिक में लिपटा हुआ कवर फेंक दिया गया था। जब उसकी जांच की गई तो उसमें 3 मोबाइल फोन मिले। इस संबंध में फराताबाद थाने में मामला दर्ज कराया गया है और एक अन्य मामले में सेंट्रल जेल बीआईसी पॉइंट सुबह के समय कुछ अज्ञात 3 लोग काले रंग की बाइक पर सवार होकर आए थे। कनिका सिकरीवाल आईपीएस पुलिस उपायुक्त कलबुर्गी नगर, प्रवीण एच नायक पुलिस उपायुक्त कलबुर्गी नगर डीजी, राजन्ना सायक पुलिस आयुक्त उपमंडल कलबुर्गी नगर मल्लिकार्जुन, एक कल की पीआई फराताबाद पुलिस स्टेशन के मार्गदर्शन में किया गया। कलबुर्गी से मसूद आलम की रिपोर्ट।
2 weeks back, search was conducted at Central Prison, Kalburgi. During the search, we had recovered a smartphone, one basic handset, along with other contraband items. In that connection, the case was taken and the same case was transferred to CCB for further investigation. The CCB team led by ACP has taken 4 accused to police custody and the accused are being questioned. The investigation is going on. At the same time, during preliminary investigation, we had found that criminal elements were throwing contrabands, mobile phones, other items into the prison by putting into balls and packets and throwing across the prison compound. In that connections, 2 cases were solved. One case belongs to 2022, wherein 2 accused are arrested. Accused arrested are Uday Kumar and Lokesh. In this case, the Lokesh, he had thrown total 3 mobile handsets into the prison. 2 were belonging to Samsung phone and 1 belonged to Lava. So based on the technical investigation, accused were identified and they were arrested and sent to judicial custody. In another case of this year, 2 more accused are arrested. The arrested are Mubarak Ali and Sajid Khan. They had thrown one mobile phone, China mobile handset, ganja, around 8 packets of around 100 grams and also other Schedule H tablets. So basically, in this case also, based on the leads we have got, we have arrested 2 accused and we have also learned that we have identified the prison inmate to whom they were supplying and his name is Muhammad Alim. We will be taking him also into the police custody. No, none of the accused are related to prison officials, but they are some of the criminals are there. Some of the accused are having criminal background, and also they were in touch with the prison inmates. No, we are looking into it. If anybody is found either involved or having connivance with the accused, they will also be dealt with as per the law.